Welcome to the Painful Budgeter. I am Payne, and today we are doing a happy planner for February. I was just kind of playing around with some new inks and stuff that I had to kind of see if they would go through or not. Some of the blue ones did, but the rest actually didn't do too bad. Well, that one I'm not going to go through anyways, but normal paper. A little bit of darker outline for some of the other inks, but the blue one, it most definitely did bleed. But let's get started. It is February, so it is a Valentine's week, and so we're gonna do a little. I went and got this from. They had all their stuff like 40 or 50% off, so I went and got some nice, pretty, more springy, lots of pretty colors in there. And I thought that would look really nice on here with some pinks and blues and teals and stuff. And then, have you ever ordered something off of Amazon and you forget to cancel out all your stuff that you have in your shopping cart? Well, I thought I took them out because I had a couple things in the shopping cart, and well, apparently I ordered some party tea time because I had that in there because I wasn't sure if I wanted to get it or not, and then it showed up at my house, so apparently I bought it. And it's really nice, kind of big. I want to use that one, or I did get some hearts, so I'm probably going to get these ones first. But it has some nice floral and kind of 60s style type of stuff. I'll make a nice little tea spread, so I'm going to probably use that. Maybe this next one. Ooh, that looks yummy. But we're going to work out of this book today, and let's get started with these. These are the washies. Some of their Valentine's stuff was on sale, and I thought that'd be really nice and pretty. And I can add them in some other things as well, if I can find the starting off point on this. Where's my... I usually have a Home Depot card in here. It makes it a lot easier for cutting. So how did your February go? Did you guys stay warm with these last couple blasts of winter? Well, we still got some more blasts of winter, but yeah, it was cold. It was really, really cold. I'm just gonna go to. Looks like that's going somewhere. I've been trying to learn how to do DaVinci Resolve because of the CapCut issues, and I figured this was a good time to learn. So I've been learning how to do I wonder if I would look good with just that coming out. It's still kind of wet though. Maybe I'll add it in later. But yeah, since CapCut and TikTok, all the issues and stuff, I'm like, I've been wanting a long time to learn how to do DaVinci and do some more different types of edits. So I decided I'd give that a try. And I've been watching lots and lots of videos. And just last month, I went and either froze half of my accounts or just canceled a lot of these things that I haven't used for a while, and the ones that I still kind of use, but seeing if I can, but don't quite want to get rid of them, so I just froze them for 3 months, and that way after 3 months, if I still want them, I can always reactivate them if I miss them, and if I don't, well then, I'll reactivate them. So my Audible and stuff, because I still use a lot of that, but not as much as when I was over the road. So I just froze that one for 3 months, and if I want a book, I can just buy one at a time, and it'll last me, especially if it's a big book, it will last for quite a while. I've been still having issues with spending, and even though I'm making a different pay raise, it's really hard to get out of old habits and stuff. So I've been trying to get everything organized and knowing where all my money and finances is, and actually do a freaking real budget, not just some of the cash stuffing and that type of stuff, which is good, but actually knowing where all my money is and where it's going and where my spending issues are would be really good to know. So that's my next couple goals these next these 3 months. Has gold in it. I don't know, maybe I should put some gold right down the center. much of a red person, but red and gold always looks really good together. A little bit fluffy. Let's see, what do we have in here? Oh wait. No creams happen enough. I'm gonna do kind of stay pinkish area time. Cooperate, will you? Lips are fearless. Let's do fearless. Let's get some hearts for Valentine's Day. I got a lot of stuff too on the first. The first week is always the most expensive, and I just did that sideways. I thought I had some tweezers. I must have put it on the other side. There we go. Oh, should I put some gold in the center of this? Probably didn't need that. Sticker on top of the sticker. Let's see if I can find a box to go with that. Put that there. We will put some bullet notes up here. Oh, I need the big circles. Whoop, no that. Didn't work well. Oh well. All these things are rolling over too a little bit. I like the thing with the two different ones. Oop. Let's get that one. President's Day. That means this one's for Saturdays. Let's do something that day. Sunday. Monday. See if I can not spell it wrong. If I do, please make fun of me. Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. I'm missing a date. Thursday. Oh, I think I'm running out of ink. Friday and a Saturday. Saturday. Oh, I'm gonna get stuff all over me. Let's see if I actually might use them on my party time. I do like those colors, so they don't really have the shine like the other ones do, though. I do like these boxes, these pre-made boxes. Those are kind of cool. That looks ugly. You don't know what looks good until you try it. Maybe do a little this. See if we can make it a little prettier. Not the best decision into something pretty. Little black hearts. Oh. experience with markers before, so it's gonna be interesting. I think I'm gonna leave it like that so I don't go overboard any more than I already have. But there's my Valentine's pink and red and a little bit of blue because I was doodling. And so I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you next time on the day 6 or something another. Anyways, all right. See you all next time. Maybe I'll use the party tea time for the next one. We'll have to see what that looks like. Anyways, I'll see you next time. I love you all.